Welcome to Manapet Housing Productions. This clip shows how to assemble our indoor rabbit enclosures. The enclosure displayed was a bespoke size at 1000mm deep, 2360mm wide and made up of clear and wooden panels. It was 950mm high on the left and 750mm high on the right. All enclosure panels are numbered. Each number should be at the top of the panel and face inside the enclosure. Build the enclosure in number order. Manapet housing panels are supplied as standard with lift-off hinges for convenient assembly. Secure the hinged lid with 4 screws provided.